And where's the other guy?
Julio is over there. Julio, ven aquí, Julio.
Yeah, I'm working, Baba. You ready? You ready, bro? I'm ready. See, if you're looking for someone to work, it's three of us working here today. Me, Rafael, you Juan. If you go with Juan, you only speak one language. So if you don't have Spanish, don't go with Juan. If you go with Rafael, it's going to take you to hell. Go with me, I teach you Spanish for free. My name is Jose, I do whatever you say. Are you looking for someone to work? What time you looking for someone to work, Baba? Construction.
Hey man, you working? Hey Rasta man, you working?
Yeah, look worker.
Yeah, I need some work to do some construction and roofing.
At 2 hours alone there today. I make everybody gone. And me and Julio. But if you go with Julio, I'm going to fool you. So go with me, Winfred. You know, pay me, you lose your head.
Man, you got a lot of jokes. How much you charge?
A 150 hour, you know, everybody else thing up.
Well, that's too much, man.
Get out of here then, man.
All right, I'll get somebody else.
Nosotros aquí comiendo frutas. Sandía, mango y piña, güey. No mames.
Hey man, you working?
Pero ven, lugar.
Hey my friend, you working? You working?
Sí, pero estoy trabajando.
You have papel?
Buscamos a alguien para trabajar.
No papel?
¿Habla español?
You know papel?
¿Habla español?
I work with my amiga. You work with my amiga.
¿La migra?
Hey,
¿La migra?
hey, come here, man. Where you going? Come here.